What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I am going to go over this Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. If it's dealing with anything from the home to the garage, to the lawn, to your shed, I am reviewing it. Turtle Wax is definitely old school in the game. Also great on rubber mats. Deep cleaning, foam eliminates road grime and brake dust. If you leave it on your rims for a very long time, it's real hard to get off that brake dust. All right, so let's turn it on the back and get into action. So it says see it in action, but y'all will see it in action by a regular consumer. So there goes the directions. All right, so let's get into safety, you guys. If you have irritation when it comes to chemicals and stuff like that, you may want to wear your proper PPE. If not, if you don't get irritations and stuff like that, then you're just, you know, you're good. You're blessed. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the way you unlock this thing, you see how it has an X right there? You have to, what it says, child resistant nozzle. Press tab and twist. Oh, nice. Oh, they changed it. So you got to press the tab down and then twist. Oh, okay. That's smart. Oh, and it locks when it's on off mode, but when it's on mode, it don't lock. Okay, got it. All right, you guys. So I just rinsed the tire. I'm gonna give it another rinse real quick. All right. Now it says for 30 seconds, right? So let's go ahead. 6 to 8 inches away. This is how it comes out. Oh, I see the grime. Oh man, look at that. That is crazy. And I don't want to waste too much on one wheel, you guys. So it says leave on for about 30 seconds. So dirty wheel and tire, spray power foam, agitate wheel. So let me get a brush real quick. I'm gonna give it again. Wow, this stuff is working. Wow, you guys, that is insanity. So there you go, right there. That is insane. I sprayed it again. I'm about to get a brush. Woo. Wow. All right, now we can wipe it and we're gonna give it a nice little wash and then that's it. Everything should be good to go. But man, it really lifted up that dirt very good. Oh wow, nice job. Wow. I'm gonna make a playlist. I'm gonna refer y'all to my playlist of the foam sprayers, soaps, and anything dealing with car cleaning. I have in the playlist. Definitely clean your tires too. Wow, it cleaned the inside of the rim real good. I'm gonna show y'all this. Like the, if I wanted to take my tire off on this car and clean like the actual inside the rim, it will clean it real good. Wow, this turtle wax chemical is good. Now I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all see the inside of my wheel? That is quite insane. I mean, I know y'all can't see it, but y'all barely can see it. But look at that. The inside the wheel. See, this is the part I can't reach. Back up, back up. Okay. So you see how it's dirty in there? But look how clean it is right here. That's how insane this stuff is. All right. So clean. All right. I didn't get too much in there. But yeah, that is quite insane, you guys. So this stuff actually works like very good. I will be using this a little bit more often. I'll feature it again on the channel. But man, I'm liking this product right here. This is going to be my go-to when it comes to cleaning rims and cleaning your tire. Wheels and tires, this is the go-to right here. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.